Welcome, Missouri third graders, teachers, and parents to this LibGuide, which will help you access quality information about the history, culture, government, economy, geography, and the people of the state of Missouri. All third graders in the state will complete a year-long social studies unit to learn about Missouri, its historical events, political structures, natural resources, and influential people. I want to walk you through how to use this guide and a few featured resources within it. First, this is a jumping off point. Many books, encyclopedias, and articles are linked directly, but other resources may have to be navigated further to find the information you're looking for. This guide has 4 pages: the home page, history and culture page, government and economy page, geography page, and the people page. The home page provides links for teachers, including the state grade level expectations, other online resources, and of course this explanation video. The history and culture page contains recommended historical fiction, encyclopedia entries, historical databases, and other books, videos, and online resources to guide students and teachers. For example, on the Missouri Digital Heritage Database, you can search a collection of over 9 million items relating to Missouri's history. You can type in anything from a city to a historical event, such as the Civil War, and access tons and tons of resources and information, including primary resources, photographs, which you can then filter by collection, by date, by creator, etc. The government and economy page provides online government resources, census data, videos, recommended books to teach about Missouri's political structures. Clicking on these YouTube videos will take you to the mo.gov YouTube channel, which has published many additional videos about Missouri's government and its various agencies. The geography page provides book recommendations, an embedded Google map, and other online resources covering Missouri's natural resources from the National Park Service, Missouri Department of Natural Resources, and other sites. The People page has biographical information for influential Missourians. The page contains book recommendations, including a biographical dictionary, videos, and links to online subscription-based and free biographical databases. For example, the American National Biography link takes you straight to the Missouri page, where you can then filter by sex, date, occupation, to find specific influential Americans, Missourians in particular. This guide is a finding aid, meaning it serves as a foundation for various Missouri topics. It will be a great place to start learning about and exploring our state.